The top 8 vitamins for liver repair. The liver is a vital organ in the human body, filtering 1.7 liters of blood every minute. If you want to stay healthy, you must take care of your liver by eating the right foods and nutrients so that it can function properly. It converts toxins into harmless particles and produces bile, which aids in the removal of waste and the breakdown of fat. It also stores fat-soluble nutrients such as vitamins A, D, E, K, and B12, as well as performing over 500 other vital functions. Unfortunately, if you are overweight, you are likely to have a congested liver with fatty deposits that may hinder its performance. A fatty liver can lead to additional weight gain, high blood pressure, heart attacks, strokes, and long-term liver cirrhosis. Fortunately, there are natural vitamins that can be consumed to repair existing liver damage. In this video, I use the word vitamins broadly to include amino acids, enzymes, and natural remedies that can be used to repair your liver. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, so do speak to your doctor if you have any genuine medical concerns. Before we get into vitamins, I'd like to share some common signs of liver problems with you to help you become more aware. First of all, people with fatty livers frequently experiences aches and pains in the right shoulder neck area because a congested liver puts pressure on the phrenic nerve. You may also notice pressure or a fullness underneath the right rib cage after eating. This could be because of a bile deficiency in the liver, which I'll discuss later in the video. Liver problems can also cause swelling in the right foot and ankle, as well as the appearance of spider veins on the skin, because of a toxic hormone buildup in your liver. Finally, if you are overweight in the belly area, this indicates that fat has accumulated in your liver and is now spilling over the abdominal region. Although there are many other symptoms, these are some of the most common that you should be aware of. 8 vitamins to repair liver. The first and possibly most important vitamin for liver is choline. When it was discovered that a lack of choline causes fatty liver disease and muscle damage, choline was recognized as an essential nutrient in 1998. A daily supplement of 300 mg CDP choline aids in the removal of unwanted fat from the liver, thereby preventing fatty liver disease. It achieves this by improving the quality of bile produced by your liver. Bile is the detergent in the body that dissolves and breaks down fat. Choline is also found in beef liver, organ meats, pasture-raised eggs, cauliflower, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and grass-fed dairy. Number 2 is methionine. Methionine is a sulfur-based amino acid that aids in the repair of existing liver damage by aiding in the detoxification of harmful substances such as acetaminophen poisoning. Eggs, sesame seeds, Brazil nuts, grass-fed cheese, chicken, and tuna are some of the best natural sources. Consuming these methionine-rich foods encourages your liver to produce more glutathione. This is a very powerful antioxidant that helps to reduce inflammation in the liver and throughout the body. This can help to reduce joint pain and swelling, break down and remove alcohol from the blood and liver, and build important neurotransmitters in your brain. Next up is bile salts. As previously mentioned, your liver produces bile, a liquid that aids in fat digestion and breaks it down into small particles so that you can absorb vitamin A, D, E, and so on. Unfortunately, bile can become sludge if you have liver damage, putting pressure on your gallbladder and bile ducts. Taking bile salts and digestive enzymes on a daily basis can help thin your bile and clean out fatty deposits in your liver. If you're finding this information useful, please tap the like button, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated for my latest health and nutrition tips. The fourth item on my list is a phytonutrient called sulforaphane. Sulforaphane is a phytonutrient found in many cruciferous vegetables including broccoli, Brussels sprouts, radishes, cabbage, cauliflower, and kale. If left untreated, liver inflammation can lead to insulin resistance, diabetes, cancer, and other life-threatening illness. When you eat raw salad vegetables on a regular basis, the sulforaphane helps to keep inflammation at bay by supporting liver function. Sulforaphane assists in the detoxification of caffeine, drugs, chemicals, and poisons from the liver that we are exposed to in our environment. It's worth noting that cooking these vegetables can destroy some of the enzymes that activate sulforaphane in your body, so eat them raw whenever possible. An interesting fact is that broccoli sprouts, cauliflower sprouts, and radish sprouts tend to have around 100 times more sulforaphane available than the full-grown vegetables. So try adding these to your salad to see some major improvements in your overall health. I understand there's a lot of information in this video to take in. So feel free to pause, rewind, and take notes if you need to. Number 5 is tocotrienols. Over time, liver damage causes scar tissue, which is also known as fibrosis, which can prevent cells from functioning properly. Tocotrienols are a type of vitamin E that helps to reduce scar tissue in the liver and throughout the body naturally. This is a daily supplement made from a pigment known as annatto. Tocotrienols not only dissolve scar tissue, but they also act as an antioxidant, repairing liver injuries and reducing inflammation to prevent further damage. Number 6 is the spice called turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, one of the most powerful ingredients to reduce inflammation in the liver and throughout the body. Because it increases antioxidant activity in your liver, it is frequently used as a natural pain reliever. Taking a daily supplement of 2000 mg of turmeric helps the liver detoxify heavy metals such as lead, mercury, and cadmium, as well as regenerate the liver from previous damage. Don't underestimate number 7, which is vitamin D. Did you know that a deficiency in vitamin D can cause fatty liver disease? When our skin is exposed to sunlight, our bodies produce vitamin D. Because billions of people around the world are deficient in this, you may want to take a daily supplement of 10,000 IU vitamin D3. Vitamin D3 reduces inflammation and swelling in the liver, which also increasing bile production. This naturally reduces liver fat, fibrosis, and scar tissue, and aids in the treatment and prevention of hepatitis, which is the virus infection of the liver. Glutathione is the final and the most important antioxidant for your liver. Glutathione is the master antioxidant produced by your liver, but you can also get it from certain foods like avocados. Glutathione protects your entire body from free radical damage and is essential for liver health. Following a low-carb diet and eating lots of raw cruciferous vegetable is the most effective way to clean out your liver. So it was all about my today's video. Thank you so much for watching. A like is always appreciated. And remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. And as always, I wish you great health, wealth and happiness. I'll be back with a great video next time. Until that, take care of yourself and bye-bye.